In this exercise, I'm going to factor a polynomial. The polynomial we'll factor is 35x to the 6th minus 25x to the 3rd power plus 15x to the 2nd power. It looks like there'll be some common factors, and I want to factor out the greatest common factor. To do that, we'll start by finding the prime factorization of each of these terms. The prime factorization of 35x to the 6th is 35 can be written as 5 times 7. And then x to the 6th means I have six factors of x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'll factor 25x to the 3rd power. First of all, I factor 25, and that gives me 5 times 5. And then I have 3 factors of x. And 15x squared, I first factor 15, and that gives me 3 times 5. And then there will be 2 factors of x. Now I'm looking for the largest common factor, so first I'll look at the numbers here, and the only thing common to all 3 is 5. So 5 will be part of my largest common factor. Then I'll look at the variables, and there are 2 x's in 2 factors of x that is common to all 3 of these terms. So I will have 2 factors of x, or 5x squared. This is the largest common factor that I will factor out of this polynomial. So I'll need to factor each of these terms then, using this as a factor. 35x to the 6th I can write as 5x squared times 7x to the 4th, because these multiply together to give me 35x to the 6th. I can write 25x cubed, starting with my 5x squared, and multiply that by 5x, and that gives me 25x to the 3rd power. 15x squared I can write as 5x squared times 3. And now that I've done that, I can factor out the 5x squared. I can write that first, and then a parenthesis, and then I'll write the remaining factor from each term. It'll be 7x to the 4th minus 5x plus 3. And this is in factored form.